شهر القرآن، شهر الرحمة والإيمان. رمضان شهر القرآن، شهر الرحمة والإيمان. أوله مغفرة الذنب، أوسطه الرحمة من ربي، آخره عتق يا صحبي، عتق من حر النيران. أهلا أهلا يا رمضان.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello civil engineers and welcome to the 22 episode of CIVIL53, the building executions, steps and tips. Before we jump in and start the 22 episode, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel. Let's go. Step 22. Punch list. When the project is completed, the contractor inspects the whole work one by one and make a punch list. These structure units or areas that weren't constructed properly or are below the quality level is listed in the punch list. This is later corrected by the contractor in charge. Tip 22. Move on. Some things will be amiss and you will have to just move on. That being said, other things will unexpectedly turn out a lot better than planned. So by this we can conclude the 22 episode of CIVIL53, the building executions, steps and tips. See you tomorrow at the same time, inshallah.